下着を着せていたわってやった。彼らの中には嬉しさのあまりいきなり我が水兵に抱きついて面食らわしたものもあった。
Napuputol.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Military powers of Japan and Russia. Ano? Russia ang kalaban nila dati. Japanese Russo, no? 1904. Oh. Manchuria. Port Arthur. Oh, 59,000 ang namatay. Oh. Casualties, 15,000 dead.
In and around the sea surrounding a peaceful Japan that was under a national isolation policy, many foreign ships started to appear. The Tokugawa Shogun thought it was impossible to keep the national isolation policy any longer, and decided to open the country to foreign ships on the occasion of the American Commodore Matthew Perry. The British government took over power from the Tokugawa Shogun to many policy struggles, particularly anti-foreign imperialism and the Boshin Civil War. The new government resolutely carried out modernization programs to promote industry.
Ito pareho rin.
Siya ba yan?
Oo.
Pareho din.
Pareho. Admiral Nelson, no? Ah, como John Paul Jones. Togo. Ito tayo si Togo. HMS Victory. Oh, this one, USS Constitution. Oh, wow. Ito yung USS Constitution, ito yung barkong dati. Ito yung unang barko, USS Constitution. This is the memorial ship Mikasa. Wow. ...2017 pa pala lang to. Oh.
The memorial ship Mikasa, HMS Victory, and USS Constitution.
Ito, trout. Dito, trout. Trout. Russian corner. Oh, sorry. Russian painter. Bibi, ano? Makapo ba? Oh, this is how they run the engine. Boiler, high pressure cylinder, medium pressure, low pressure, induction pipe, filter, feed tank. Wow. Ito at bandera. Oh, this is the old furniture.
Room ni First Lieutenant, Middle Lieutenant.
Oh, for flag lieutenant and aids room. Wow, oh, ito. Lumang ano, oh, cabinet. Ah, ito yung rango niya, tart, oh. Mga, ano, chevron. Ito yung mga rango. Wow. Oh, staff officers room. Oh, wow. Ito ang ganda, oh. Oh, wow. Antique. Chief of staff.
Antique. Antique.
Ito, chief of staff tart, oh. Salon. Oh, ang ganda na, oh. Route, oo. Dito pa tayo, ikot. Tulugan tart, oh. Maliit lang yung hapon kasi. That's the bed. Oh my gosh.
Tiny, like for
It's
a
like
baby
for
crib.
Angela.
It's like a baby.
Baby crib. Engineer of the fleet's cabin. Ito yung study table niya. Ito. Oh, bathtub. Hello. Ito yun, oh, commode nila, oh. Oh, bathroom. Sit at the bathroom. Admiral sleep. Ito, this is the room of the Admiral. Admiral sleeping cabin. Wow. That's so big, small. Wow. Basic.
Ang ganda.
Ano na to? Admiral na yan. Ano tong sa kabila? Oh, wow. A dining table. Tingnan mo, ang ganda, oh. Oh, wow. Admiral Salon. Oh, even this study table, oh. Meiji Emperor. Ito tart si Meiji Emperor. He's the Emperor of Japan. Yeah. Oh, ito, oh. Sino to?
That's it.
That's him? Oh, wow. Galing. Oh, pantry. Oh my gosh. This is the pantry, Siddharth. Huh. Ito, ano to? Oh, si Anime. Captain Saloon. Oh, wow. Ito temple.
They're offering
Oh,
sake.
yeah. Who is that guy? Who is this?
Memorial Ship Mikasa, USS Constitution.
So much history here. It's their uniform. Kat yung uniform nila inside.
Band.
Yeah. Tapos na ba tayo dito? Tapos na tayo dito, Tart, no? Nakakyat na tayo. Napuntahan na ba natin doon? Yeah, okay. Taas na tayo. Sa ano to tayo sa stern. This is what you call the stern, si Tart. The tail. Dito yung engine. So they got two different flags, Tart. Rising Sun 2 eh. Yung isa, bilog lang. Yun yung flag nila. Ito ang original flag nila. Oh, may train pa, Tart, doon, oh. No. Ginagawa. So this is the view of Yokosuka. Yokosuka Mikasa Park. It's next to the base. Next to Wambao Gate. So yeah, ganda.
Beautiful.
Oh, because this is the back. Ganyan na maganda tayo pag video. Nagpo-post ka tapos pwede ka mag-picture. Now you can go upstairs. Ayun yung hagdanan tayo. No, this is the English edition. We thought they have the English edition. So we can go up now. So it's the top deck. Wow. Oh my gosh.
Nakaakyat pa tayo. Hindi na kabayang makaakyat.
Ayun, ang ganda sa tuk-tuk tart. Wow.
Ito.
Ciao. Wow. Parating kami Japan.
Thank you, Navy.
Thank you Navy for the 3 years vacation. Libre bahay, libre tour. So we're gonna try to go, to visit everything in Japan. So tingnan natin kung kaya. Oh my gosh. Tatayo ka dyan. So ito yung bantayan nila.
You wanna go at the very top?
Yeah. Wanna go up? Ito tayo. Hindi po pwede senior citizen dito, Tats. Hirapan tayo. Nakapunta kaya mga kuya dito? Sana nakapunta mga kuya Renny, no? Oh, wow.
Kulang mo ko dito. Nakita
Saan?
mo yung bag ko.
Ganyan. Ayan.
Dito ka, oh.
Naku, very stiff. Oh, it's okay. Okay. That's okay. Saan tayo ngayon? Bababa pa ng isa. Oh. Okay, ito medyo tayo sa dulo. The other side. How much did we pay for the entrance? It was 600 yen. $4. See, for $4 you can see everything in here. Oh, yung pala maganda to.
Maybe like
Oh, pwede mag-picture, no? Hindi natin nakita yun. How old is this ship, sweetheart? How old is this ship? 1904 pala itong ship na to. World War I, between the Japanese and the Russian. Japan-Russia War. Karagaro pa. Yan sa loob tart. Ito meron. Dito bumabarel dito. Ito yung kapal niya, no? Oh, ay, ito pala tart navigation. So wala sa bridge, no? Ito ang bridge. Wow. Akit tayo sa taas, tart. Kaya tuloy tayo. Bakit pa? Taas to eh. Taas. So, doon ng driver sa may baba. Ito naman. Oh, the flag. This is where they keep all the flag. Ito yung mga flag. Ito signal light to. Ito yung signal light.
Good condition.
Oh, under to tart. Meron na sa baba, meron pa dito, no? Ah, ito ang main. Pero kita mo tart, walang upo ng kapitan. Galing. They're still doing some constructions here, oh. Lalakihan nila, no? Ah, sa tuktok na tayo. Telescope. Galing. Ito yung ano, forecast. So. Wow. Mm-hmm. Down now. The end of the tour. It was a good one. You want to go to the bathroom?